Firefly Aerospace, the first private enterprise to achieve a successful lunar landing, secured a valuation of more than $9.8 billion on Thursday after its shares surged more than 50% in their Nasdaq debut. Formed in 2014, Firefly started as a launch company centered on its medium-sized 95-foot-tall Alpha rocket. It has since expanded into a spacecraft and lunar lander business.
The moon is great because you can get there with regularity.
CEO Jason Kim cheered with his team when, in March, the landing of Firefly's Blue Ghost marked a milestone for the scrappy unit that was once less of a priority to other business goals. Reuters visited the Texas-based company in July.
If you were here on the day of the landing, it was a well-oiled, disciplined team. I mean, you would have thought this team operated lunar landers for the last 40 years, but this was their first spacecraft. First spacecraft they designed, built, tested, operated.
Kim, who took the helm at Firefly last year after leading the Boeing-owned small satellite firm Millennium Space Systems, said they're eyeing future charging stations on the moon.
We want to put infrastructure on the moon, and not just science payloads, but actual power systems that can enable future charging stations. So we believe in putting power plants on the moon, being able to plug into those power plants and recharge your rovers or your lunar landers.
U.S. IPOs have picked up pace since the stock market lows in April. Adam Coons, chief investment officer at Winthrop Capital Management, says the Firefly debut signals growing investor exuberance.
So that shows that the market does have an appetite for this type of risk, because when you look at a Firefly, it's not a profitable company. It's really based on, obviously, they've got a lot of future contracts in place, but the revenue today is very low, and like I said, the profitability is not there. So you are seeing investors willing to take the chance on the next, Palantir or something like that, that could take off.
The company also saw a rapid Pentagon launch with its medium-sized Alpha rocket in 2023 and has a burgeoning business line that will offer maneuverable space vehicles for the U.S. Space Force. Kim said Firefly is also eyeing a potential role in the Golden Dome program, noting its Alpha rocket could be used to launch test missile targets for the system.